What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning back in. So today our plan is to actually be working on the truck today. So we're going to be going over to the store, getting some more hardware so that way we can fix and try to settle this motor in today. So that's the goal for today. So we're going to be taking the gas saver today, and I did some things to this thing because, yeah, it's a Mini Cooper. I love this thing. This is like driving a go-kart, but it's a big doom and gloom today. So how about I'm just gonna start it up, and we're gonna do a little cold start so you can see what I did to this thing. It's retarded, but I love it. Oh, that's right. Straight pipe Mini Cooper cold start. Sorry, neighbors, but you know, I had to make this thing a little bit louder. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now, but it's fun. So let's head over to the store. Let's go get these bolts and washers and stuff to make this motor sit inside. I'm so dumb. Why would I do this? Here's a downshift. This is why don't give me new tools, especially cutting tools, because I do stupid crap like this. Guys, it is day 2. We are back. It was a real hassle trying to get this hardware because every time I went down there, first time I went down there, I forgot the actual hardware that it was needed. Then I came back, grabbed some more, or grabbed the hardware, came back to the store, then grabbed the wrong ones, then had to go back, blah, 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 whatever. But we do have it finally sitting in, and I will give you guys a little show of how the motor's sitting by itself now. It's sitting under its own weight, so we're pretty happy about that. We do have everything pretty much lined up. So the motor is, or the mounts are sitting pretty flush with the motor, and we have the mounts in place, so we're just gonna have to get that welded up and have that settled properly. But after all of it's tightened down, we are just a little bit tilted, I think, to that side, by like -1. So it's still almost pretty leveled. We could probably get that better because we're gonna have to still cut up the interior sheet metal, because you guys can see right here that the transmission is resting on the piece of sheet metal and it is pulling it down. So we're gonna have to modify that to move it out the way and maybe figure out somewhere how to twist the transmission to the side. So after we cut, we gotta figure out that part, and it's doing the same thing on that side. So, you know, it is a work in progress, but we are making progress on this vehicle. And so I'm gonna have to go start getting packed because I have a trip coming up that I have to go to. I'll be gone for a couple days. So then we'll come back to finish up working on this, and then hopefully starting on the side-by-side, so that way we can get prepared for our race by the end of this month. So if you guys did enjoy this episode, I know it was a quick one, not very much content in it on the truck itself. But if you guys did enjoy it, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share it with your friends. See you guys in a couple days after I get back from my trip. And as always, keep on building and you will see progress. See ya.